So the first topic we're going to talk, I mentioned template files, and I'll just talk about that briefly. As I mentioned in the slide, you can set up a file with any geometry that you want to be present on any CAM project that you start. Typically that would be fixtures or your spoil board, any fixture mounting hole patterns, et cetera, any layers that you want set. You can do all of that in one file and then just save that file as a template. And that's available in the file menu, save as template. Then when you create a new file in Rhino, it presents your file manager. It automatically goes to where the template files are and allows you to select the template to start with. You don't have to use the template functionality, but it's real helpful. Now,